Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Fabric, the unified platform totally revolutionizing data analytics. Let's jump in. Why on earth do companies still juggle so many disconnected, expensive data tools? The old way? Tangled ecosystems, separate logins, and fragmented teams. But now, it's all completely unified. Here's the big takeaway. Microsoft Fabric is literally the smartphone of data analytics. Just like your phone replaced separate cameras and GPS, Fabric replaces all that clunky, disconnected software. Basically, it's an all-in-one cloud platform. It handles the whole shebang, from data engineering to AI. Let's use an analogy. Think of Data Factory as your high-speed delivery service for raw data. Next, data science predicts the future, and Power BI turns those numbers into gorgeous dashboards. Underneath it all sits one lake. Think of it as basically the ultimate OneDrive for company data. The best part? It totally eliminates confusing data duplication. You get one single source of truth. See how data transforms logically? It moves perfectly from raw bronze to clean silver to gold. Plus, thanks to direct lake technology, pulling finalized OneLake data right into Power BI is blazing fast. This unified approach instantly solves massive headaches across healthcare, banking, retail, and e-commerce. It's a game changer. Want to try it out? You can literally activate a free 60-day trial right now. That trial grants you powerful, dedicated F64 computing capacity to run all your new data projects. Getting started is super simple. Just sign in, hit free trial, and build your first workspace. Mastering this ecosystem unlocks massive career opportunities, making your skills incredibly valuable across multiple roles. The future of data is definitely unified. So, are you ready to stop juggling and start building?